Today, I have very exciting news for all of you. My brain has finally been working on something. It's similar to Aries' game, and it's Max's Little Bar. It's basically like Airy the ice cream seller's game that I invented. It's not a canon game, it's just some random thing I invented in my mind. So yeah, just like Airy's game, this will be like a Mr. Tomatoes kind of game, like innocent, horror game. I don't know. You wanna know who the motherfucker is? This is the motherfucker. This little bitch here. This little cheer up, cute eye thing. Smacks. He's actually a killer. You know later. I'll tell you lore in later videos. Okay. Bye.